Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. This is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa, and this is the day 24 offering of my 30-day creative challenge. I'm gonna skip saying all of the things about being late because I figure that you probably know. And just to tell you that this is not me trying to be gangster gorilla or to be Tessan Chin, because you know Tessan love to hoodie them and she know how to rock them. Big ups to you, Tessan. No, this is me not wanting to inflict my hair up. See, data try sneak out. Inflict my hair upon you. Trust me, we're all better off. So this one is called Between Lights, and parts of it are like a conversation. So just listen to it in that way. You'll figure it out. And it's a little shorter than my other poem. It's a lot shorter than my other poems. Okay. I don't even know if it's a poem. I don't even know what this is. I just wrote it. Okay. Walking to the shop to buy something they both forget. One says, I always imagined you were the type to stay at home, even though this is the first time I'm talking to you. The other smiles and looks at the one. One says, but I must have seen you 6 times since coming back here. Slightly embarrassed by the admission that there has been count keeping, the one falls silent. The other says, 7. What? The one asks. We've passed each other 7 times since you've been back, the other says, but one time you didn't see me. The one, eyes closed, quickly remembers they are walking down a city street. It is not the time for deep breathing or inhaling the scent of possible future. Walk. Keep walking. Oh. Smile. Are you serious? Did you actually keep count? Yes, the other smiles. I did. But more than the days I did see you, I kept count of the days I didn't. I looked for you. Spent too long by street corners thinking maybe you would pass by, but you didn't. And those days were like the days before the first day I ever saw you. And I didn't like them. The other says, I didn't like them at all. Between 2 streetlights in the darkest of shadows, the one chances a glance at the other. The other's face is open, full, like the moon shining back without question or fear, just looking back, waiting to be seen. The one looks down and considers the days without the other. They have been marked down too. What is this starless night? Cloud-like shadows of a thing that is yet to be named. Just a walk to the shop for something forgettable. How strange. So that one, I don't even know if that's a poem. I guess it's more of a scenario that happened between 2 people. Somebody commented and said that I should not explain my stuff. I should leave them to interpretation. My explanation doesn't change the fact that they're open to interpretation. I think with the written word, regardless of what the artist might think they're saying, people still go interpret it either way. So I thought about not talking about this one, but I'm going to talk about it because I want to. So, there's not really much explanation though. It's just like a scenario that happens. Sometimes you have the most mundane of moments. You just walk into the shop or whatever, and then just something happens. You start a conversation or some truth is revealed between 2 people that changes the meaning of that moment completely. So this is just, I don't know, some summation of that thing. As I said, I don't know if it's a poem. I really don't know what it is, but see it there. So me get to some selling in a charge and tax. Alright, so what me did say? It's Sunday, me say, or Friday, me say me have to done by Sunday. Anything up by Sunday, that is the end of this challenge. And then I go do a little recap of how me feel coming out of the challenge. Me can't tell you now how me feel. My brain is empty and tired. Anyways, everybody enjoy your weekends. Be safe, whether you are walking, flying, driving, sailing, submarining, hot air ballooning, unicycling, unicycle. You see when you come to Canada, people actually ride unicycle. Anything that you're doing, be safe and enjoy yourself. And big up to everybody who's having a birthday today. Big up to Kim and Wheater. Yes, much love. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, like, subscribe, and all of them something that we're supposed to do with me things. Okay.